with modern tools. This sculpture fascinates specialists and scientists who consider it a technical wonder. On the north side of the structure, there is a square scale-like pattern.
Ayan, at meron din pong isa dito, si Ms. Faizal A. Ismael. Good morning po, dito po sa amin sa Maguindanao ay nakaranas po kami ng 2 araw na pag-uulan at hangin.
Opponents of these theories suggest that these structures could be remnants of a yet-to-be-understood phase of civilization, possibly linked to other ancient cultures through lost technology.
の陰に覆われた町、罪にまみれた土地、やがて苦難と憎悪を育み、同時に悲しみまでも育み、すべての
But with that said, though, you don't really need Eidolons for her, so I'd only recommend pulling for them if she's just a character that you really like the design of. I think my Ruby fans will be pulling. Otherwise, I'd keep her at E0 so you can save some pulls for the newer upcoming unit.
Christine, 50 mil pa lang ang kanilang napipick up ng iba't ibang mga local government unit. Tulad kahapon, kausap ko si Governor ng acting Governor ng Albay, si Vice Governor.
Sa ngayon, IGAN ay patuloy na nagsasagawa ng efforts ang Naga City, LGU at maging ang Camarines Sur PDRMC para nga maalalayan
and energy within the shortest possible time frame. However, the practices observed here appear to contradict these principles. If the workers lacked machinery and had to make
stage na po siya, tumaas po siya ng 5 feet po from our 741 na monitoring po. So nasa alarming stage na po and
Rainfall warning naman po sa ilang bahagi ng Palawan habang yellow rainfall warning sa Kaluya, Antique at ilang pampanig ng Palawan. Isa na rin naman po sa rainfall advisory ang Bohol, Siquijor, Negros Occidental, Guimaras at ilang bahagi.
Kilala niyo ba yan? Ako hindi siya kilala talaga. Siya si David Farragut. Si David Farragut, siya naman po ay mula sa Knoxville, Tennessee. Ang tatay naman po at
uninsected, kung darating sa punto na kailangan natin, makakahingi naman tayo.
Kamusta naman ho yung lalaki na binabantayan ninyo?
Okay naman siya, kaya siya...
Recovering well?
Yes, recovering well, kaya siya nandun.
Hieroglyphs, a type of script completely unknown to them. This story of the Utsuro Bune, as the craft came to be known, appears in 3 different ancient Japanese authorities want to keep secret. Interestingly, there are many keyhole ancient structures and depictions all across the world. It's clear that this symbol had a profound meaning.
So for the record, we can assure the public that there will be no repeat of such incidents wherein people were complaining because there were floods in the area because of the dam releases.
Actually,
About the kingdom of God. Sabi niya, do not be deceived. Huwag ka magpapanin lang. Fornicators, idolaters, adulterers, effeminate, homosexuals, thieves, covetous.
Ay nandoon at matingkad ang papel, no? Ayon sa link analysis na yon, matingkad ang papel ng dalawang Canada, si Crescente Canada na ayon sa
Bagamat alam naman natin na mayroong but if not faith. Nakuha ninyo? Lord, sana hindi kanila nila hinanap dahil lang para pumasa sila sa exam. Doon pa lang eh. Teka muna, ano ba yung relationship mo? Kay God ba yan o para sa iyong sarili? Nakukuha natin? Oh, bukod pa doon.
Doktor, na mukhang asthma yung problema, magagawa po tayo ng spirometry para matukoy natin kung asthma po talaga.
Ayan.
May mga gamit tayo dito.
Doc,
Pakita po natin.
tulong nga tayo dito,
Okay,
Doc.
sige.
So,
Ay nalusong doon, whether intentional or not, tapos may sugat ka pa, papasok sa katawan mo yung mikrobyo.
Ayun. So,
Doc, bukod sa mga sugat, may iba pa raw entry points ang mikrobyo.
po na ating Philippine Area of Responsibility si Christine by Friday.
Friday, ayun. May binabantayan tayong bagong low pressure area o may nakikita kayo?
So ngayon naman ay may namomonitor nga tayong low pressure area.
The features discovered at the site are extraordinary. For instance, there are sections where precise roads and arches have been meticulously carved straight into the rock face of the
Nagtestigo sa amin tungkol dito. Kaya nga ways forward na po yung pag-adjourn namin ng pagdinig kahapon. Ano yung pagkukulang at paano tayo mag-move forward.
Ang ibig sabihin, you give your best on both because even in your work, you are to worship God. Nakukuha niyo po ba? Hello? Andiyan pa kayo?
This theory is spurred by the sophistication of the tomb's design and the advanced masonry skills required to construct them, which some argue may surpass the capability
kayo tumulong sa kanya, ipinasa niyo pa siya. Kaya wala ako ipagmamalaki, kundi ipagmalaki ang Diyos. Magkakandidihan. Pero sa kabilang bahagi, wait lang.
Given its prominent placement and distinctive form. Some theories suggest that it might have been used as a sort of altar or ceremonial platform, possibly related.
"今ここで事件の捜査をしているの。悪いけど他の道を通ってちょうだい。
灰色の髪に黄色の瞳。
Stay safe po, mga kapuso.
government tsaka sila makapagbibigay ng rubber balls. So yun po yung parang naging context.
I think that's the context in the rescue side.
Yes.
But in the response side, our context has always been nandun na.
Ang ibig sabihin, you give your best on both because even in your work, you are to worship God. Nakukuha niyo po ba? Hello? Andiyan pa kayo?
Ilan din tayong tao na nakikita sa kalsada pero kasi pinayuhan sila no na kung wala namang mahalagang lakad manatili na lamang muna sa kanilang mga bahay o yung mga turista naman ay manatili.
Allowed observers to read the water level as it rose or fell against the column. Another keyhole ancient marvel is the Saudi Arabia geoglyphs. The keyhole
Ang nangiyak ko, sabi ko, Lord, mga bata yun. Bakit hindi sila pumasa? Panginoon, pwede po ba? Ingatan niyo yung mga puso nila na huwag silang sumuko.
There's another site, which unlike the keyhole structures we showed you so far, doesn't resemble, but looks like an exact copy of the Japanese kofuns. But there's a twist.
Yung kung sa kabuuan na mahigit 5,000 plus yung mga stranded, nadagdagan pa po ba yun?
Medyo nadagdagan po because the 5,300 is as of yesterday.
1.6 million cubic meters of soil. According to the local legend, to construct a kofun, people would work during the day, while the gods worked at night.
全てが燃え尽きるまで。
起動。
Mga talagang mga lugar dito sa Naga City at sa Camarines Sur na talaga namang mahirap talagang pasukin ayon sa Naga City LGU ay may mga ibang lugar igan na umabot sa 8 feet.
Possessed to be able to accomplish this Herculean task. Additionally, there are stones weighing more than 100 tons in different parts of the site, all stacked precisely in history books. These monumental sites, often crafted with an astonishing level of precision and alignment with astronomical phenomena, suggest sophisticated knowledge.
Huwag kayong magugulo. Gayahin niyo yung mga matatanda, nakikinig. Aralin niyo, intindihin niyo sinasabi. Maintindihan niyo hindi, at least makuha niyo lang yung naintindihan ninyo. Sabi niya, opo.
撃落とされる。
まだだ。
燃やし尽くす。
The precise vertical cuts found at all of these sites closely resemble those produced in modern mines using advanced drilling machinery, which are incredibly similar to the statues found in Mexico. There's also a giant head, which closely resembles the Olmec heads, which are also in Mexico. Unfortunately,
Peak flow meter, papagamit natin kay
Paano po gagamitin yan, Miss?
Sabi ni Mateo, ginamit na daw ng lahat to bago dinala sa dito. Mateo talaga.
Andiyan si Doc,
Bago
oh.
daw to sabi ni
Paano
Doc eh.
gagamitin yan,
Opo.
Doc?
So bali,
Sinasabi niya, ano sinasabi niya tungkol sa bagay na to kasi hindi natin nasusunod. Parang out of our ignorance, we're not doing it. Eh sabi ganon, nung nagpunta sila, eto kasi ang isip ng trend ngayon, from where you are and say mo, Lord, I will follow you, Lord. Lord, no matter, Lord, though none go with me, I will still follow you. Kung yan ang commitment mo, you rise up.
inhaler or MDI.
Oo.
So ginagamit po ito, nag-i-spray, shake po
Pag
siya,
umatake?
ini-spray po pag inaatake. Pero meron din po mga gamot na ginagamit po na pang-maintenance po.
Ay, galing din.
Tapos
Bubuga
i-press
na
po
siya.
natin to.
Yung gamot, ibubuga
Kaya
na.
bubusok na.
At saka, Doc, wala siyang ingay. Kasi minsan yung kids na stress
Yeah.
sila pag maliit, diba? Tapos naririnig nila yung
meticulous craftsmanship points to sophisticated stoneworking skills. For instance, Pumapunku in Bolivia is an ancient site famed for its incredible
Computer ko, tsaka sa iPad ko, wala nang Angry Bird. Baka magalit magkaroon ako ng Angry God. Ayoko mangyari yun. So, tinanggal ko, di wala na, malaya na ako. Naintindihan? Hindi ko
There are many more mysterious stone structures in Japan, the origin of which is mostly unknown. For example, there's the Sakafune Ishi, a mysterious
Bulalo, paano niyo po ba ito ginagawa? Heirloom recipe ba ito?
Yes.
Saan po ito galing?
Galing to sa family namin talaga. Galing sa dad ko yan. So,
Okay. So mga ninuno pa ito
mga
galing?
ninuno pa talaga yan.
Okay.
Yes.
It also gets automatic super brake scaling for 60% super brake damage. Nice. And all of this so far is without talking about her talent. By talent, I mean midriff, but Hoyo already bonked me for that, so I can't go into detail. Her talent gives her
ancient techniques' effectiveness. This resilience speaks volumes about the ancient architect's skill and foresight. Moreover, another peculiar feature observed on some of
Si Bagyong Christine sa probinsya ng Isabela, partikular sa bahagi ng Divelacan. Sa mga oras na ito, ramdam pa rin ang epekto ni Bagyong Christine. Pabugso-bugso yung hangin at simula kaninang madaling araw, tuloy-tuloy ang
yung death na yan, para makita natin, I've been crucified with Christ, it is no longer I who live. So hindi ko kailangan ako. Sabi niya, but Christ lives in me. So kung mahal natin kapatid, hindi natin sila sisiraan. At kung mahal natin kapatid natin, marunong tayong makinig. Nagkakaintindihan po? Alam nyo nga,
Glenda, sabi nga niya na unti-unti na bumababa yung tubig sa Albay, pero kailangan nila ng konting panahon pa bago nila makuha yung kanilang mga goods sa aming mga warehouse. Sa Camarines Sur naman, kausap
Lord, I am bringing evil on this place and on its inhabitants, even all the curses written in the book, which they have read in the presence of the king of Judah, because they have forsaken me and have burnt incense.
After centuries of erosion stripped away the earthen mound that once covered it. The stones used in Ishibutai are enormous. The largest slab, which forms the ceiling, the fascinating theories of a man-made origin. The Yonaguni Monument is the subject of ongoing debate among scientists. Some geologists and archaeologists argue that the
学校の正門前に集合ね。前回と同じ部屋。夢に入る準備をしよう。
still seek you with all of their hearts, not because they desire to pass, but simply because they know that you are the true God. At yung failing, hindi failure.
Wala pa pong nagpe-pledge ng donation or
Let me jump in lang, just to be fair. The Manila Economic and Cultural Office
prior to environmental upheavals. In the same area, we can find more megalithic structures like Oni no Sekimen, which
sa MPOX is pwede mag-isolate at home, hindi kailangan sa ospital kung malakas naman yung tao. Ang na-hospital lang po is kung yari merong immunocompromised condition, HIV, AIDS, o kaya kung ang tao
at patuloy pa tayong magpapadala sa area na yan.
Opo. May datos sa ba kayo ilan ng pamilya ang naapektuhan at nasa evacuation center, Secretary?
Kasi even at this point, we're treating this as a whole.
Pandemya, kumalat, inaalagaan niya napakarami. O isipin nyo, dahil doon, siya ang nagsimula ng Red Cross sa Amerika. Naintindihan
ilang mga kaibigan.
Ayan. Sabi ng Panginoon Diyos sa Timoteo, for those who want to live a God life, expect persecution. Kasi talagang ganyan, kasabi ng Panginoon, kami rin, ako, kung anong ginagawa nila sa iyo,
of the rock-cut dwellings are the Ishinuki Nagino caves, situated in the Nagasaki district. These intricate tombs represent a remarkable archaeological feat